Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can see your liked posts on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, explore. Here you're gonna find reels, and lastly, right here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on your profile icon, you're gonna be right here. So basically, guys, once you're here in your profile page, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to the top right corner, click on this icon, and then right here, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. So right now, go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Under how you use Instagram, you're going to find saved, archive, activity, and so on. Go ahead and click on the activity. And then once you click on activity, right here under interactions, you're going to find likes, comments, notes, tags, and so on. Click on likes. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your liked posts on Instagram. Right here in the top. As you can see, guys, you can add a filter right here. As you can see, guys, you can sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Here, as you can see, guys, you can uh, choose the date, all dates, past week, past month, and so on. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the content type, authors, and so on. If you go back, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to view your comments, and so on. Right here, also, you're going to find removed and archived content you shared, and so on. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.